Figure I is a triangle with two sides given and the angle between the two sides given as theta. From figure I above, show that A is equal to a half times AB sine theta, where A is equal to area. That means the area of this triangle in figure I is a half AB sine theta. We have to show this. First thing for us to show this, we are going to start by labeling this our triangle. We are going to call this point O. We call this A, and we call this B. We know the area of a triangle is given by a half base times the vertical height. We are going to draw a perpendicular line from O to the line AB. Search broken lines. You can call this point, we call this point a C, capital C. These lines here are perpendicular, then we call this H, which is the vertical height. AB, the line AB is of length B, small b. The line CO is of length H. The line OB is of length A. We know the base of this triangle. We know the vertical height H. But we need to express H in terms of A and B because H2 is not known. Take this down from triangle OAB, the area is simply equal to a half base times height, the vertical height, and this will simply be equal to a half. The base of this triangle is AB and the vertical height is CO. So we take a half base, which is AB, times the vertical height, which is CO. This is simply equal to a half. AB is of dimension small b times the vertical height CO, so dimension H. This is simply equal to a half BH. Next, we have to find H. Looking at our triangle, you'll see that the triangle OCB is a right angled triangle. By making use of our knowledge of trigonometry ratios, we can find H. Triangle OCB is a right angled triangle. By making use of triangle OCB, we can find H. Now looking at this, from the angle theta, H is the opposite side, while A is the hypotenuse. And the trigonometry ratio that links the opposite and the hypotenuse is the sine. The sine of the angle theta is equal to the opposite, which is H, all over the hypotenuse, which is A. We know sine theta here can be expressed as sine theta over 1. Then, if we perform cross multiplication, h times 1 gives us h to be equal to, we take a times sine theta. This will give us a sine theta. We call this one 2. We call this one equation 1. Next, we are going to put 2 into 1. Put in 2 into 1. That means in equation 1, anywhere we see h, we have to replace h with a sine theta. This will give us the area to be equal to a half b times, we replace h with a sine theta, such this will simply be the same as a half ab sine theta, which is what we are to show. You can see the derivation of this formula, a half ab sine theta, which is always used for the calculation of the area of a triangle with two sides given and the angle between the two sides also given. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.